Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by heating 1 tablespoon of neutral oil over medium-high heat. This gives an even sear. Add 8 ounces of ground beef and spread it so it browns rather than steams. Browning builds flavor through Maillard reaction. Once most pink is gone, push meat to the side and add 1/2 cup chopped onion plus 1 minced garlic clove. You want the aromatics softened without burning. Stir together so juices mingle, making a savory base for the eggs that follows. You whisk 4 eggs with 2 tablespoons of milk to lighten texture, and add salt and pepper. Milk alters curd structure so eggs stay tender. Lower the pan to medium-low so the eggs won't scramble into dryness. Season the beef with 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. This layers flavor. To avoid coagulation shock, temper the eggs. Slowly add a few spoons of the hot beef mixture into the egg bowl while whisking. Once warmed, pour eggs into the pan and stir gently. You finish by folding the eggs with the beef over low heat, moving the pan occasionally so curds stay soft. Aim for a custardy texture in 2 to 4 minutes. Make sure to remove the pan just before the eggs look fully set because carryover heat will complete them. This prevents dryness. Serve immediately with toast or rice. If the eggs do get dry, stir in a tablespoon of butter or milk off the heat to reintroduce moisture and improve mouthfeel. This rescues texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.